this is a sign we found in the last room. It says, don't let stuff get in the way. Don't let clutter control you. Ask, is this necessary? What is this used for? What is important? To be happy, give it away. But I think they had this part covered up. Let stuff get in the way. Let clutter control you. You know. So anyway, this was in the last room. Totally covered up, by the way. Totally covered up. There was actually a door in front of this door. And this room was 6 foot high.
In the hallway?
The hallway was cluttered up till you couldn't get through here. So we had to move stuff to get to this room. But they didn't read their own sign because they covered it up with stuff. Anyway, here we are. Still working on this room. We're on our 8th dumpster.
And it's raining.
And it's raining down cats and dogs. It's raining down hard enough to strangle a frog. All right.
You're rhyming all day? Hold on. 3. I'm blinding you, huh? 3, 2, 1.